Hey guys, it's HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day so far. Hey, we're on our way to check out a brand new pool home RV garage listing. Hang out with us, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're at 3856 Chesapeake Boulevard, just listed. They haven't even got the pictures back yet. It does have a pool. It does have a curb and gutter streets, which is kind of odd for Havasu. All right, so they got tons of gated side boat RV parking. Looks like 7-foot high gate. So there's a bunch of people showing the house right now, so I'm gonna squeeze in here real quick. All right guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, has a pool, 1,766 square feet, built in 2002. Big 12,678 square foot lot. They're a little busy getting packed, trying to move quick, I guess, on this one. It's got nice tile floors, ceiling fans, granite counters, pantry, stainless appliances, nice pool view out your kitchen sink. All right, so you got a split floor plan. So you have the master on one side and the other 2 bedrooms on the other. Got your big indoor laundry with door to the garage we'll go check out. Got your master suite that's at the back of the house. Pretty big size. It has a little bonus section in the back here. Maybe a little craft room or an office or something. So in this little bonus section has a big walk-in closet. I would say that's his closet. So it keeps on going into this little office setup. Has a door to the backyard pool area. Has its own mini split AC. And this looks like a door to the garage. Got your master bath. Dual sinks. Look like maybe quartz counters. Got a pretty big walk-in shower with dual heads. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. Okay, you have another bathroom and 2 more bedrooms on the other side of the house. Bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. Just kind of your standard setup. Does have a little walk-in closet. So you have bedroom number 3 at the rear of the house. Has your double door glass slider closet. Let's go check out the garage and the pool area. All right, so this is a 2-car plus RV side. It's 23 feet deep. Has an 8-foot door and it is insulated. Got an outdoor fridge, freezer. Not sure if it conveys or not. Got your water softener, RO, water heater, irrigation hookups. So this is a 51.3 foot RV garage. So you have a little workbench, door to the outside pool area. That is a 12-foot high RV garage door. I'm sure it has hookups and cleanouts and possibly even a hose bib somewhere along the wall, but they have a lot of stuff to move for sure. Let's go check out the pool area. All right, guys, we have a real nice backyard patio set up with a built-in bar and grill. It's an extra deep cover, has ceiling fans, lots of seating. Really nice pool with a grotto. Has a little water slide. This is a pretty big pool for Havasu. Usually our pools are on the smaller side. So again, tons of side parking. I'm gonna guess that the RV garage might have been an add-on, which is not uncommon here. Just have to make sure that we do our due diligence on that and make sure everything is legit, which it typically is. So it looks like the decking is, and the pool is original for the house probably. I don't see any chipping or popping of the plaster or anything, but it could use a little bit of a acid wash and scrub maybe. I mean, nothing major. Nice little waterfall and grotto. Got all your pool equipment on the side over here. Not leaking. Looks like it's in good condition. Little dog run. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Chesapeake. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information, as usual, is right below this video. I'll also put a direct link to the current listing price and availability and all the original listing pictures. So you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.